Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix no internet connection on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If it's showing here no internet connection when you're trying to connect with Wi-Fi and it's showing here no internet connection, then I'll show you how can you fix it. Just simply close this page and then you have to launch setting again, and then you have to turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again, and then check whether your bomb has been fixed or not. And if the bomb still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply tap on this eye icon, and then you have to scroll it on from here. Scroll it on all the way, and from here you have to tap on DNS configure, and make sure that you have check on automatic, and then go back from here. And after that, what you need to do is just simply tap on configure IP, and from here make sure that you have check on automatic, and then go back from here, and then you have to make sure that if this toggle is turned off, and then go back, and then you have to forget the password from here, and then reinsert the password, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the password is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down from here. And if you're using mobile data, then it's showing this type of error, then you have to tap on mobile data, and then you have to turn off your mobile data and then turn it on. And again, what you need to do is just simply tap on mobile data options, and from here make sure that if this toggle is turned off, and then you have to tap on voice and data from here. And from here make sure that if it's check on 5G or 4G, then go back from here again. And after that, what you need to do is just simply tap on network selection, and from here you have to turn the toggle on for this, and then go back and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the password is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, scroll it down, tap on general again, scroll it down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and then you have to tap on reset network setting from here. So from here you have to put your phone passcode, and after that you have to tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network settings, return them link to factory default. So after that, what you need to do is just simply restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's the guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.